to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, in this video we are going to be doing unboxing. Yes, I love to unbox. So guys, I'm going to be unboxing one of the necessity in every woman's kitchen. Yes, in every woman's kitchen, this is one of the necessary you must have in your kitchen. Yes, what am I talking about? I'm talking about blender. Yes, I already have a blender in my kitchen, but I just need a second one in case sitting. Let me just quickly give you guys a short story. My blender which I'm using, there was I think I have that video. I'm going to try to link that video over here or in the down, but I will try and leave it here. That blender works perfectly, and it's a very good brand, and it's a very powerful brand also, and it has about 1400 watts or something like that. Yes, the blender works perfectly. One day I was just trying to cook and I was also filming. The blender just went off for just no reason. So, and it was Saturday, and so what will I do? I don't, I was not able to do anything. I was not able to continue what I was, cooking. So I just decided to wait for the following day, taking it to the store where I bought it because it has 10 years guarantee. So on getting there, I just explained to them, look at what happened. My blender, the blender will be very good, very nice, but unfortunately it's just stopped for just no reason. And they said yes. I said yes, and they said that this blender is a very good, very good brand. We not even gotten any complaint from this brand because the brand is a very, very nice brand. And they said, okay, let's try and see. Guys, that when they just plug the blender automatically starts to work. And they were not asking, madam, are you sure? I was embarrassed, but so that is why I just want to get another blender in case of electricity, because you don't know, anything can happen. And number two, the reason why I got this blender is because of smoothie. Yes, because whenever I want to do smoothie, I have a little, this is my smoothie, smoothie bottle in which I use for smoothie. I have to do it 2 or 3 times if me and my family we are going to take smoothie. So with this blender, even when I'm going to do smoothie, I can just do it once instead of doing it 2 or 3 times with this. So that is the second reason why I got this blender. Guys, without talking too much, we are going to do the unboxing. Guys, this is the blender over here. It's from Silver Crest Kitchen Tools. I got this blender in Lidl. So they just brought it out. You guys know that in Lidl they do bring out something all the time. So I got this from Lidl, and it said it's speed, ice crush, and 112 centimeter, 1.75 liter, and 600 watts. So that is it. So they said it can blend anything blendable. Say for milkshake, smoothie, crushes, ice, and etc. So it can do anything or anything blendable. And with 10 delicious spices and everything, leading with full opener and measuring cup. So guys, let's unbox it together. I'm just going to I think I went the wrong way. Yeah, this is it came with this instruction. This is the instruction. So I just need to read to see how it goes. And over here is the cover. This is one thing I love about blender, because I love my blender to be, to have that place you can able to open it and wash it very well. Because there are some blender you cannot be able to open. And over here is the cup of the blender. This is it. It's glass. Yes, I really love it. It's glass. Because I love my blender to be glass so that you can able to, wash it, and it's very good. Let me see. Yeah. So you guys can see, I really love it. You can just open it, then wash it through. You can even put it on your dishwasher if you have dishwasher at home. You can also put it and wash it. Here is the blender, is the machine, is the engine, yeah. And it also have about 4. This is the 0. Here is pay 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can just switch it from 1 to 2, 3, 4, and also to 5. Though it's light, you know, compared to the other one I have. That one is, you know, has weight. This one is just, you know, just light. It's very light. But if it's work, it's okay. What you just need to do is just to place it, yeah, because there is a key over here. There is a key over here. So when you just put it on, you need to make sure that it's locked before the blender can be able to work. When it's not locked, the blender is not able to work because there is a key here. And when you switch it to this side, the blender will be open. When you switch it to this other side, the blender will be locked. So let's just try it and see. All you just need to do is just to, once you place it like this, when you switch it to this side, it means that the blender is open. You can just easily remove it like this because it's open. And when you place it like this and you take it to this side, the blender is locked. When you try to lift it up, it's not going to be possible because it's locked. I think I love it. And over here is open. All you just need to do is just to, you know, chum. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to try and plug it for us to see. Though I'm not going to use it, but I'm just going to on it for everyone to see it. I'm going to remove. I'm going to look for a socket very close. Notice something. So I was struggling with it to see why it didn't work. What happened is that over here there is, when I want to open it, there is a lock here. This one also has a lock and an open. So when it's not properly locked, it will never work. I tried it before and I was just strongly asked, what is it? Why is it not working? So this is it. For you to be able to use it properly, what you need to do is just to, you know, there is a security here. All you need to do is just to open. When you open it, then you will just switch it to this side and make sure it's thoroughly locked. Then place it. Place it, then lock it this way. It's working perfectly. That was number 1. When you take it to number 2, number 3, and number 4, and number 5, you will see that it works perfectly. So that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you also so much for watching up to this extent. I say may the good Lord bless you. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you all. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed.